In this video, we're going to learn how to solve real-world multiplication problems using the standard algorithm, step by step. Let's use an example. Little Tommy wants to buy 4,632 toy cars, and each car costs $8. What is the total cost? To find the total cost, we will multiply 4,632 by 8. We can refer to our 8 times table for help. Starting from right to left, we will multiply each digit in the top number, 4,632, by 8. Again, we will refer to the 8 times table. First, we multiply 8 by 2, which equals 16. We will place 6 in the ones place and carry 1 to the next digit, which is 3. Now we multiply 8 by 3, which equals 24. We have placed the 6 and carried the 1 to the tens place. Next, we multiply 8 by 3, which is 24, and then add the carried 1 to get 25. We place 5 in the tens place and carry 2 to the next digit, which is 6. We have placed the 5 in the tens place and carried the 2 to the next digit, the 6, in the hundreds place. In our next step, we multiply 8 by 6, which is 48, and add the carried 2 to get 50. We place 0 in the hundreds place and carry 5 to the next digit, which is 4. We have placed the 0 in the hundreds place and carried the 5 to the next digit, the 4, in the thousands place. Finally, we multiply 8 by 4, which is 32, and add the carried 5 to get 37. We will place 7 in the thousands place and 3 in the 10,000s place. After multiplying 8 by 4 and adding the carried 5, we get a total of 37. The digits 7 and 3 are placed in the thousands and 10,000s places respectively. We have found the product of 4,632 and 8, which is $37,056. Little Tommy will need $37,056 to purchase 4,632 toy cars. Now try this next problem on your own. Then, you can check your answer. Pause the video and challenge yourself to complete the following problem on your own. Little Susie wants to purchase 4,352 Barbie dolls, and each doll costs $9. How much money will little Susie need? Remember to use the 9 times table. It is time to check your answers. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. The total cost for little Suze to purchase 4,352 Barbie dolls at $9 each is $39,168. She will need $39,168.
Math is fun when we know what we are doing. Practice to grow your mathematical muscles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick ways to solve math problems.